We all have values. They are the guiding principles that shape our choices and actions. Values help us navigate life's complexities. They give us a sense of direction and purpose. Sometimes we haven't fully explored our own values. We may not even realize how deeply they influence us. This is where the values line activity comes in. The values line is a powerful tool for self-discovery. It helps us uncover our core values and understand their impact on our lives. It's an interactive and engaging activity. It involves physically positioning ourselves along a line. This physical movement encourages deeper reflection and understanding. The values line is more than just an activity. It's an invitation to embark on a journey of self-exploration. Through this journey, we gain clarity about what truly matters to us. We begin to live more authentically and make choices that align with our values. This newfound self-awareness can be transformative, leading to greater personal fulfillment and stronger connections with others. The beauty of the values line activity lies in its simplicity. It doesn't require elaborate materials or a complicated setup. All you need is a spacious room and a few basic supplies. To prepare for the activity, find a large open space where participants can move freely without obstruction. This could be a classroom, a conference room, or even an outdoor area. Next, create a visible line on the floor using masking tape, rope, or any other suitable marker. This line represents a spectrum of agreement or disagreement. Mark one end of the line as strongly agree and the other end as strongly disagree. You can also add neutral or undecided in the middle for those who don't have a strong opinion. Finally, you'll need a set of value cards or statements. These cards will present various values, beliefs, or principles. Participants will then position themselves along the line based on their level of agreement with each statement. You can create your own value cards or find pre-made sets online. Ensure the statements are clear, concise, and relevant to the group's context. With the stage set and materials ready, it's time to delve into the heart of the values line activity. The process is straightforward and designed to encourage active participation and thoughtful reflection. To begin, the facilitator reads aloud a value statement, ensuring everyone understands its meaning. Participants then have a moment to consider their own stance on the statement. Once they've had time to reflect, participants physically move to the point along the line that best represents their level of agreement. Those who strongly agree with the statement will stand closest to the strongly agree end, while those who disagree will move towards strongly disagree. Individuals who are neutral or unsure can stand in the middle. The act of physically moving and positioning themselves on the line adds a powerful kinesthetic element to the activity. After everyone has found their place on the line, the facilitator facilitates a discussion about the various viewpoints represented. This is where the real magic of the values line happens. Participants are encouraged to share why they chose their position, providing insight into their personal values and beliefs. The facilitator plays a crucial role in guiding the conversation, ensuring everyone feels heard and respected. To bring the values line activity to life, it's helpful to have a bank of value statements that resonate with the participants. These statements should be carefully chosen to spark meaningful dialogue and encourage self-reflection. Here are a few examples to get you started. Honesty is always the best policy. This statement delves into the value of honesty and whether there are ever exceptions to this rule. Teamwork is essential for success. This statement explores the importance of collaboration and working together towards a common goal. Innovation is crucial for progress. This statement examines the value of creativity, originality, and thinking outside the box. Respect should be given to all individuals. This statement emphasizes the importance of treating everyone with dignity and respect, regardless of their background or beliefs. It's important to stand up for what you believe in, even when it's difficult. This statement encourages participants to consider the value of courage, conviction, and standing up for their principles. Remember, these are just a few examples, and the most effective value statements will be tailored to the specific group and context of the activity. Don't forget to share, subscribe, like, comment, and follow us on YouTube for more training activities and resources. Let us know what other games and activities you'd like to see.